Converting MATLAB program to equivalent Python code. I want to implement the below listed MATLAB commands in Python. I am able to figure out the MATLAB equivalent commands in Python, but I am not getting the exact result. Can someone please help me to achieve so? MATLAB code. Python code. So X is my array with Boolean data type. Array false, false, true, false, false, dtype equals bool. How can I make my last command to return result in form of zeros or ones such that result is exactly same as MATLAB?
Use a list comprehension to convert bool to int.
If you want to see more,